Steplead semi-automatic 5-gallon blow molding machine is suitable for the production of polyester, PET, pure water bottles, edible oil bottles, lampshades and polypropylene, PP, PMMA, PS and other high-temperature resistant products. This Steplead blowing machine has the advantages of stable operation, low power consumption, reasonable structure and convenient maintenance. Machine features: 1. The infrared rotating oven of Steplead 5-gallon PET bottle blowing machine adopts the unique design of Japan and Germany, so the power consumption is particularly low. 2. Steplead 5-gallon PET bottle blowing machine is driven by the cylinder, does not use oil pump, has the advantages of no pollution, low noise, etc. 3. Steplead 5-gallon PET bottle blowing machine has the advantages of low investment, high efficiency, low power consumption, convenient operation, simple maintenance and safety. 4. Steplead 5-gallon PET bottle blowing machine bottle body is free from pollution, the bottle scrap rate is less than 0.1%.